Yes, guys. Ooh, the coconut thing. Yes, guys, the coconut. So, yes, guys, I'm gonna put piece of the cheese on it, guys. So, guys, you can taste it. Taste it and tell me how it is. Hi, guys. Welcome to Mama J's channel. How you all doing today? Hope you guys having a wonderful and a fabulous day. So guys, so I thank you all for my new subscriber. Thank you all very much. God bless each and every one of you. So guys, so today I'm gonna bake some Jamaican bulla. You know about bulla and pear and bulla and cheese. So today I'm gonna show you guys how I bake my bulla. So over here, guys, on the stove. Now, before we go on the stove, so this is my ingredients over here. So this is my molasses, guys, in this Jerry and Never buckle. Guys, I have this molasses over 10 years. Coming from the Bronx, guys. Where I did live first when I go to Jamaica. I have this molasses very long time, but molasses, guys, cannot spoil. Can't spoil. And in this buckle here, I have rose and almond, and it's my vanilla, and I have some ginger powder, nutmeg. I have my baking soda, salt, butter, and I'm gonna put a teaspoon of ground ginger into it, and I have my butter, my cinnamon powder, baking powder. I have 2 cups of sugar and my allspice. I maybe say nutmeg already. So yes, guys, so these are the measurements that I'm going to use in this pot. So I'm going to use a tablespoon of baking powder, a tablespoon of cinnamon powder, a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of allspice, teaspoon of nutmeg, and my baking soda, a teaspoon of baking soda, and a teaspoon of my ginger powder. So, guys, where is my butter? So yes, guys, so I have 3 tablespoons of melted butter right here. So guys, so this pot is on the stove, the water is hot. So guys, so I'm going to put my sugar and my molasses in this water. So this is 1/3 of my any am I getting? So I'll come back to it. 3 tablespoons of melted butter, guys. And here I have my vanilla and my rose and almond. Tablespoon each, guys. And my sugar. I have 2 cups of sugar, guys. So guys, oh, could I forgot the molasses? I just called the name and it gone out of my head already. So yes, guys, so the water is not boiling, so I just need it to be hot to melt the sugar. So guys, so I'm going to allow it to cool for when I am going to put it in my dry ingredients. So guys, so I have my flour right here. I have 6 cups of flour. Cup of flour, guys. So I'm gonna put all my spice in my strainer. And sieve it, guys. So I'm just gonna incorporate all the spice in the flour. Yes, guys. So I'm going to allow the molasses to get cool, and then I'm gonna start it to make the dough, guys. Hi guys, so here I am back. So yes guys, so I have a pack of coconut flakes. This is the sweet one. So yes guys, so I use a cup in my flour. So guys, so I really like coconut Bulla. So I have this ground ginger that I'm going to use, a teaspoon, and I'm going to be using a half a cup of coconut milk, guys. So yes guys, so if you don't like coconut, you don't have to put it, but I really do like coconut, guys, so that's why I had some. So I have some coconut milk right here. So this is half cup, guys. So yes guys, so now I am going to use now my molasses and the spices that I put in the water with the butter, guys. So yes guys, so now your hands are getting ready now to get messy. So yes guys, so yes guys, so after kneading the flour, you're gonna put down the dough to rest for an hour. Yes guys, so you're kneading it. So guys, I am finished with my dough. So now guys, I am going to cover it up. The piece of parchment paper. So yes guys, so I'm going to leave it for an hour, and then I will be back. What is this? So yes guys, so I will be back in an hour. Hi guys, so here I am back. So guys, so I just removed my dough from the microwave. So I put it in the microwave, guys, for the hour. And I have some flour right here to dust my area. So yes guys, so I clean this area to lay my dough right here, guys. So yes guys, so now we are going to roll out the dough now, guys. So yes guys, so I'm going to lay it out for a half an inch. So I have this cover, guys, jug cover, to make the Bulla, guys. So guys, so my dough is wide enough now. So now guys, I am going to put my my jug cover, guys, to make the Bulla, guys. So I'm just gonna do like this. So like I'm just cutting it with it, guys. I will use a knife to go around it, guys. Yes, guys. So this is number 1, guys. Number 2. So my oven is preheated right now, guys, on 350 degrees Fahrenheit. So they're going to bake for 15 minutes, guys. So yes, guys, I can't wait to eat it, guys. So yes, guys, so this is number 2. Perfect size, guys. Perfect size. So guys, I'm gonna finish cut the rest and then I will be right back. Hi guys, so here I am back. So yes guys, so I am finished with the dough. So yes guys, I'm gonna put it into the oven right now. So yes guys, so I make this little small one. I only have this leaf, guys. So those who can relate on 10-cent Bulla. So I make this little one to remind me of 10-cent Bulla. So now I'm going to put some melted butter over it, guys. So yes guys, my oven is hot and ready and waiting for me. So yes guys, as I tell you before, they're gonna bake for 15 minutes. So see you in 15 minutes, guys. Hi guys, so here I am back. So yes guys, so it is finished. Hi guys, so here I am back with my finishing product right here, guys. So yes guys, so this is my coconut bulla and cheese, guys. So yes guys, so this is it. So yes guys, take a good look at it. Yes guys, so I'm gonna give this a little bless right here, and then we're going to the testing. So yes, Father God, as I come before you right now, dear Lord, Father God, we give you the glory and the honor. Father God, we thanking you for what you have done and what you're about to give, dear Lord. Father God, I thanking you to prepare this and to prepare this meal. Father God, we asking for your guide and protection in our going and coming. Father God, cover our family near and far. Cover our kids also. Father God, we asking for your blessing over our life right now, dear Lord. Father God, cover this house, dear Lord. Father God, we asking you to cover our viewers near and far, dear Father God. Cover their family members also, dear Lord. Cover their kids. Father God, we asking for your blessing and your mercy right now. We give you the glory and the honor. We give you thanks in Jesus' name. Amen. So yes, guys. So yes, guys. So this is a finger food right now, guys. So I'm gonna break it, guys. Yes, guys. Ooh, the coconut thing. Yes, guys, the coconut. So yes, guys. So I'm gonna put piece of the cheese on it, guys. So guys, can taste it. Taste it and tell me how it is. Guys, this is so nice. Glass of milk, guys. Guys, this tastes so nice. And with the coconut in it. This is really good, guys. No cap. This butter here. I'm telling you guys, it is very soft and moist. Don't tough. Do not tough, guys, okay? Don't tough. Don't tough, guys. Don't tough at all. I really do love the texture, guys. I really, really love this texture. This is really good. I'm going to send some run by my sister, and she give me a honest opinion. This is really good, guys. And thank you so much for watching. Thank you all for like, share, subscribe, to tell your friend, to tell another friend. Guys, please don't forget to drop a comment, drop a like. And God bless you all. And you all have a wonderful day. I'm gonna finish enjoying this, guys. Bye, guys.